If you're buying your first home, you'll hear a lot of new terms, and one that often confuses people is PMI, or private mortgage insurance. So let's clear it up. What it is. PMI is insurance that protects the lender, not you, in case you stop making payment. You'll usually need it if you're using a conventional loan and putting down less than 20%. So how does it work? Your lender sets up the policy and most buyers just pay it as part of their monthly mortgage payment. Some lenders let you pay it upfront at closing or do a mix of both. How much does it cost? It really depends on things like your down payment, your loan amount, credit score, and whether you have a fixed or adjustable mortgage rate. On average, PMI runs between 0.2% and 2% of your loan amount each year. So how to avoid it? If you can put down 20% or more, you skip PMI altogether. Other loan options like VA and USDA loans don't require it, but they come with their own rules. You can also look into a piggyback loan, which is a second loan to cover part of your down payment. Just make sure to talk through the costs and the pros and cons with your lender. You don't want any surprises when we get close to closing. So can you get rid of it? Yes, and this is the part everyone likes. Once you've built 20% equity, meaning your loan balance is 80% or less of your home's original value, you can ask your lender to cancel PMI. If your home's value has gone up, you might hit that number faster by refinancing or getting an appraisal. And even if you don't ask, lenders must drop PMI automatically once your balance hits 78% of the original value or you're halfway through your loan term. Quick note, this is for conventional loans only. FHA loans have their own version called MIP, and that one usually sticks around for the life of the loan. Starting in 2026, PMI might actually help at tax time. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act lets some homeowners deduct PMI as part of their mortgage interest deduction if they itemize and meet income limits. It phases out for the higher earners out there, so talk to a tax professional to see if you qualify. Buying a home comes with a lot of moving parts, but having someone explain it clearly makes a big difference. Your real estate agent will help you navigate each step, and your lender can walk you through your financing options. I'm Wendy Anderson with Next Home Next Step in Ashland, Ohio. And if you're looking for a home in the greater Ashland, Ohio area, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Welcome home.